everyone, welcome to Carol's Current Obsession. Today I have something really fun. I've got another one of my long-awaited packages from China, and it is supposed to be a doll. Of course it's a doll. Anyway, well, you know, so it's a doll from a store called Angel Love Toy Store, and I'm really excited because it is supposed to be kind of like the Paola Reinas. Now, I don't know if it was specifically made to, you know, be like a fake of the Paola Reinas or if it's just like them or what, but after I had seen Paola Reinas, I realized that this doll that I had wanted pretty much might be like one of them. So I ordered the doll, didn't come, and saw my friend Jay's review on a Paola Reina, ordered a Paola Reina, and still waiting on this doll, and then got this doll today, finally. So let's get started. You know, comes with a little comb. That's nice. Doll comb. There we go. Okay. Well, I mean, she does kind of look like a Paola Reina, doesn't she? That's cute. No, I don't love her hairdo, but it's not bad. Let's take it out of this and see what she's got. Oh yeah, she's bald in between the layers there. But, you know, that's enough to do her hair anyways. Her hair can be done or let down long. That's nice. She has a cute little outfit on. It's a cute little shirt and skirt. And she did come with shoes that have elastic to help them stay on. Well, that's okay. Alright, let's inspect our doll here and see what we got. Off come our shoes. And, oh, she has good feet. I mean, look at that. Yeah, those are good feet. Okay, I like it when they look like real feet. She has pretty blue eyes. That's nice. Her hair bow seems to be stuck in her hair, but that can be undone easily. Let's take her little shirt off. It's Velcro. I don't love Velcro, but maybe there's room for snaps on there. Can take that off. Oh, she comes with panties. I like that. Let's see. She looks a lot like a Paola Reina, doesn't she? Losing some hair there. Alright, let's put her up to a Paola Reina and see what we got. Here's our cake smelling Paola Reina. And this one doesn't have any scent at all. That's kind of nice. Of course, if it did, who would know? It's been in transit for 4 months, so hard to tell. Okay, let's see. Well, they're the same exact height. Our fake doll here is a little bigger face and not quite so much detail. However, her skin's got a little more darker skin tone. So more of a Spaniard kind of a look to me. They've got the same body pretty much exactly. Okay. Right down to their toesies being almost exactly the same. Okay, even their hands. I say the only difference is the faces and the skin tone, and there's not a lot of difference there, is there? And of course, our Paola Reina is better on the hair. I mean, a lot better on the hair with our Paola Reina. Okay, well, now her hair's all messy. But actually, I like the texture, the feel of the fake doll's hair better than the Paola Reina hair, okay? The Paola Reina's hair feels almost more like straw compared to the silky feel of the fake doll, which is interesting. That's very interesting. Okay. Well, that's very good. Now, let's try the clothes on. You know, my favorite tell-all is our little dress from Shirley Temple, and we're gonna take it off of the Killick doll, and let's hold the Killick doll up. Yeah. Huh. They're gonna be almost identical, just the way that she is with the Paola Reina. let's try our little dress on. And remember, this is your 12-inch Shirley Temple dress. And by the way, my next sew with me is Paola Reina Killick doll. Yeah. I mean, what would you need to do? Add a little tiny bit of length to it, and that's it. That's so easy. Fits her perfectly in the back. No problem. No problem. Fits her around the chest, around her arms, everything. Guys, we have another winner. Yay, I have some clothes for you. Okay, anyway, that's exciting. That's very exciting. So she is perfectly in line with the Paola Reina doll. That is so cool. In fact, if anything, she's a tiny bit thinner, more narrow than the Paola Reina. Yeah, just the tiniest bit more narrow than our Paola Reina doll. Interesting. Okay, and their legs, maybe our fake doll here has the tiniest bit longer of legs. Maybe not, maybe just a difference in panties. But yeah, just perfect. This is great, you guys. Alright, well, I will add some shots at the end of the dolls so that you can see them together. And that is my review on our fake Paola Reina doll from Angel Love on Aliexpress. And I will have to say this too, the vinyl on her is not as firm as the vinyl on our Paola Reina, okay? So you can slightly press into the vinyl on this doll. See, I can squish her just a little bit, whereas with the Paola Reina, there's no squishing going on. You can't squish it. And the Paola Reina doll is slightly heavier. Only slightly, however. So my guess is that they used a denser, a little bit more higher quality vinyl on the Paola Reina than they did on the fake doll. Other than that, I do not see much difference. Yes, her face is a little larger and there's not quite as much detail, but wow, again, what a great doll. Now, I'm not all for fakes, but this is a beautiful doll. And I didn't know, I didn't even know it was a Paola Reina doll when I bought it, but yeah, I think it's a fake. But it's a very good one, okay? So, there you are. And this cost me, I want to say it was $14. $14.97. And free shipping. So this is $14.97. This was a heck of a lot more. Alright, okay, you who buy Paola Reinas know a little more. Okay, so that is my review. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for coming to Carol's Current Obsession. We always have lots of fun doll stuff. Keep you abreast of all the new dolls, patterns, and sewing for your beloved old dolls as well. Alright, thanks everyone. Take care. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Carol's Current Obsession. Bye-bye.